Oh, we're almost at Bundaberg. Well, we're in Bundaberg, but we're almost at the Turtle Sands where we're going to stay.
Yeah, less than 10 minutes we'll be there.
Oh, I can't wait.
Where's Lucas?
How you feeling, Lucas? You excited? Ready to go in the pool?
Yeah.
You go in the pool?
Yeah, it was raining yesterday. We didn't take him to the pool.
Yeah, that was pretty disappointing. Because we were promising him all day after his nap.
Yeah.
Go in the pool, and then this little split-second thunderstorm hit, and yeah, very nice. But yeah, almost here. So gonna do a few things while we're here. We'll definitely go and see the famous Bundaberg view.
Yes.
But yeah.
So exciting.
Anyway, we'll catch you soon. And we're going to the Turtle Sands. There we go.
So cute.
Alright. We've got to do that thing again where we go and get our key. Well, not really a key because we're staying on site, but our access pass. Yeah, the sites look pretty big. Alright, so it's the morning. Had a pretty good sleep last night actually with the ocean sound. Everyone had a good sleep? Yeah.
I think that's the best, like, sleep ever for the past few weeks for us.
I know. No, Lucas, you had a pretty good sleep too, didn't you? You went to sleep when you're having your bottle.
Yeah.
That's the view that we've got here. It's been unfortunate this morning though, they've decided to start trimming the grass. Sending bits of grass everywhere. But sort of understandable though, because it needs to be trimmed to keep the snakes away. But yeah, perfect little spot. So I might put the drone up and give you a view.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right and a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is
Alright, we're here. We're at the Bundaberg Brewery. He's ready.
I think it's ready.
See some Bundaberg rum.
Yeah, the big polar bear for Lucas.
For the big polar bear. It's a bit too warm up here for the polar bear, but
It's a famous bear.
it should be good. Get some ginger beer. They've got some other flavours as well. Look how cool this is, It's like a big barrel. The bottle tops. Yeah, we're going
Two for 50.
Yeah, better get one. We'll get two.
That's my favorite. Bucket hat.
Let's have a look around. Look at all these. We got our Bundy hats on. This is pretty cool.
Look at the old one there.
Brewing step 1.
This is a real ginger.
Infusing the mix. Yeah, they use real ginger. The yeast. Steam. You enjoying yourself? Here we go, getting boxed up. Getting packaged by a machine now. Taking the jobs away from people. Awesome. There we go. Alright, we picked our packs. Look at this. We can get family stickers as well to put on. Is that you? You alright? Having fun? Look at that, that's pretty cool. Old Bundaberg truck. Alright, so we just walked out. We might have been a bit ballistic. What have you got there, Lucas? You gonna have a drink?
Happy.
Have some ginger beer?
Mm.
Yeah. Might have bought 2 6-packs of them. We got this really cool thing where you could get your photo together. We got a 6-pack of them made up. So yeah, bit of fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, we might head to the macadamia factory.
Yeah. Yep. Want to try the chocolate and make
Oh
it
yeah.
yeah.
All right. Well, let's go. Ooh, can't wait to try these. Oh, looks like a pretty nice place.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Who doesn't love a bit of macadamia? Site visitors this way.
Get some chocolate too.
You ready, Lucas?
Ready for the next stop?
Looks like this is the entry spot. Yep, there it is. Alright, let's park up and go in and get some macadamia.
Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna do some nut cracking, aren't we? Let's give it a go. Hopefully it doesn't get Lucas in the head.
Don't.
So they give you these little holes to put them in.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, that's nice.
There you go, we've got 4 of them. Ready? First one. Here we go.
You got it?
Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool. Good job, Daddy.
Yum.
Nice.
You try.
What do you do like this?
Ready? Watch Mum.
You just watch, Mommy.
Oh.
Try again. Okay.
Here we go.
Second attempt.
Where'd that
Still
go?
not working.
What?
Mommy. Okay. This is the last chance
Go,
for
give
Mommy.
it a good whack. Go. Yes.
Yay!
There, look.
Oh my god, it's dying now.
Oh, you cracked the whole thing. Your mum did it, but it's gone.
That's so cool.
Well, that concludes our little stop at the macadamia factory. That was really good. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I
Got
got
some nice ice cream there.
cappuccino, macadamia ice cream. What Daddy got?
Oh, we bought too many macadamias. Got a bag full of them. And it's bad news for my waistline because I'm meant to be on a diet.
It's okay.
Oh, a little ice mocha. But yeah, that includes this little stop here, so we'll see you on the next one. What are you doing, Lucas? What are you doing? You playing with your little bus?
Yeah, since we fell bad.
Just our last night at Turtle Sands.
Yeah. It's a bit sad.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, a lot.
It's been so good here. We've been relaxing, haven't we, Lucas and Mummy?
Yeah.
With the ocean right there. The park's pretty full.
It's got very busy now. It's school holiday.
This park's actually pretty good, isn't it? It's we got food trucks that come on site.
Yeah, it's a big park. Nice pool.
Yeah, been in the pool a few times, haven't we? And it's really good. But we're moving on tomorrow. Where are we going tomorrow? Rockhampton, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, another 3.5 hour drive, so should be alright. But we'll get there. Alright, we'll see you in Rockhampton. But yeah, thanks for watching.
To pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you pandemonium.